Hi, in this video we're gonna talk about LiveServer, how to use it and why to use it. I create a folder test.html, and inside that folder I have two files, one index.html, and inside there's only one h1 tag and it's displayed on the screen, and another style file where I just align text in the center and I display it in a blue color. And on the right side we have two browser windows. So the first one I open using File Explorer, and what I did, I just right clicked and open with Google Chrome. And the bottom window, the way I open it in VS Code, I right click on index.html and I open it with LiveServer. So let's see what the difference is. Let's make some changes and see what happens. I'll just add one h1 tag. So far nothing is happening, and that's because I didn't save the file. As you can see, I have one unsaved file here, and to save it I could probably go to File and click Save, but it's faster if I actually use the shortcut and press Ctrl S. So I'm gonna press Ctrl S and let's see what happens on the right side. Ctrl S. And as you can see, the bottom window is already showing my updates. On the top window, I need to press this refresh button, and I can see the updates too. It doesn't seem that much, one click, but if you do it all day long, it actually gonna save you some time in the long run. So to install LiveServer, you need to go to this extensions icon. In the search bar, you type LiveServer. Let me expand it. And the very first link that shows up, let me expand it, so it's gonna look like that. You're gonna click on it, and I already installed it, that's why I have an uninstall button. But for you, if you never install it, it's gonna say install. So you're gonna click on it and it's gonna take a few seconds and it's gonna be installed. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.